You got 2 monies?
No.
How many monies do you have? What are you doing? Where did it go? It's right there? You found it? Did you find it? Sydney, how old are you? 2. 2. Are you 2 years old?
I go.
It went?
I do.
You did?
I did.
You did? Sydney, how old are you? 2? Can you point to your nose? Why not? Can you point to your eyes? Sydney. Sydney.
Yes.
I love you.
I do.
You love me too?